You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me, my potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you, my potential inside. Yes. Good morning once again all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very cute, Janavi. Yes. All must say together, I told you. Yes,
Morning,
yes.
ma'am.
Then,
Morning.
shall we do some exercise, children? Stand up
Yeah.
all. Yeah, stand up then. Get ready.
Okay, good morning. Good
Okay, fine. Give one jump, children. Yes, start to. Yeah, I play now, okay? Come on, Arya. Arya, get up. Yes, start, Annie.
You can take the camera.
Yes. Stop. Yes, all come back to your place. Drink some water, children. Get some water and drink if you want.
Full water bottle.
In summertime, we have to drink plenty of water, right? Yes. That will make our body hydrated. Okay. Yes. Okay. All sit. Yeah. Put your mic mute. Yes. Okay. Fine. This is the time for concept. Yes. Shall we start? Yeah. Right. Okay, children. Children, in the last week and the before days and all, we saw the concept of seasons like winter, summer, and rainy. Yes, right? Am I right? Right or not?
Right.
I hope you will get something from that. Okay, right? In the summer season, what are the things we have to use? In the winter season, what are the things we should take with us? And rainy season, what are the things we should take while going outside and all? Ma'am has taught you, right? Today I'm going to teach you about sun, moon, and the stars. What are that? What are that? See, sun and moon. Ah, yes. About
Sun.
ma'am is going to teach you about those things. Okay. Say okay, fine. When we can see the sun, children, where will be the sun? Yes, yes, of course. So is Aimira alone answering? Where it will be, yes, Shivanya? It will be on the sky. Am I right? Where the sun will be?
Where the
It
sun
will be on the sky. Yes. Where the moon will be?
Sky.
Yes, of course. Say okay. Where the stars will be?
Sky.
That too in the sky only. We can see all the sun, moon, and stars in the sky. Okay. At what time we can see the sun? Sun is there in the sky now?
Daytime.
Yes, of course. Daytime we can see sun. Okay. Yes. And then night time we can see moon and stars. Okay. Yes. Wait. I'll show the picture of sun, children. Huh? Okay, fine. What is it? What is this, children? No, what is it? Yeah, is it? Yes, of course, circle. But it looks like a.
Sun.
Yes, of course.
And the wall.
Yes, the
Not
sun
the
will
wall.
wake up. So, okay, fine. Now put the mic mute and listen what ma'am is telling. Okay, right, children? The sun is wake up early in the morning. Yes, so do you know what time sun will come? Children, do you know in our place at what time sun will come?
Morning, ma'am.
Yes, of course. It will come early in the morning, right? And it shine like a big light bulb over the earth. We can see wherever we are, all the early morning time, we can see the sun shines like a big size of bulb. Actually, sun is a big ball of fire. Yes, sun is known as big ball of fire. It will be very powerful fire. Okay, most of the light and energy comes from sun only. Yes, we are getting many kinds of energy like light energy, heat energy. Yes, that and all we are getting from the sun. So this is the sun. It's very hot and it is round in shape. Someone told that it's a circle shape, right? Yes, of course. Sun is a round shaped thing. Nothing can nothing can come near to sun because it is a very hot ball of fire. It will burn. Okay, it will destroy the things which come closer to the sun. Okay, children. Sun is the hottest body. What is that? Hottest body. This is known as sun. Right? Okay. Let's now say what is sun? Sun is a ball of fire. Say the word term. Ball of fire. A fire ball. Yes, of course. Okay. Sun gives light and heat. Light and heat throughout the world. Okay. We are getting light energy and heat energy from the sun. Naturally. Okay. Fine. Next thing is, what is this? This is also a round in shape, but that was in yellow and orange color. This one is in white color or silver color. Okay, what is that? It is a moon. Yes, of course. You can see the moon at night sky. We can see the sun at daytime. Daytime means in the pagal nero. Okay. Now we can see the sun. It will be very hot. But we can see only the moon at night time. Means moon will come only at night time. Not like that. Moon is always there in the presence of sunlight. Sunlight is very high, no, very powerful. In the sunlight we can't see the moon, otherwise moon will be always there in the sky. Okay, it's a kind of satellite. That and all you can't understand, but it can see only in the night. When sun goes down, sun falls, starts to fall, the moon will appear. Okay, children, moon will not shine as much as the sun. Okay, but it will also shine. It will give chillness, cool. Moon is a cool object. Okay, sun is a hot thing. Moon is cold thing. Okay, give chillness. Sun gives hotness, moon gives chillness. Okay, children, it is very high in the sky. That's why we can see it's a small in size. Sun, moon, stars, everything. Okay, right? Fine. And the third thing is, another one is star. What is it? Star. Star. Say, children, what is this? You all know this. Star. Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star song? Shall we sing together? Yes, all sing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Sing along you. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. When the blazing sun is gone, then your shining nothing shines upon. Then you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle all the night. Yes, that is little stars. Little stars will spark in the night sky. Little stars are far and far away from us. That's why it's look very tiny, very tiny. Okay. So these are we can see in the night sky, moon and stars. Okay, right, children? Yes. So what are these? Stars, moon. We can see stars and moon in the night time only. Okay? Yes. This is moon. That is star. Right? This is sun. We can see the sun in the daytime. When we can see the sun? Children say when we can see the sun?
Time.
Why there is no answer? Yes?
Yeah, moon is
Moon cold.
Yes, daytime. When we can see moon and star? Night time.
Morning time.
Yeah, morning time. We can see sun in the morning. We can see sun in the morning time, and we can see the moon and stars at the night time. Okay, right, children? Fine. Now shall we go for the worksheet? Yes, children. Take your workbook and tear and stick white paper on the moon, yellow paper on the sun, and sparklers in stars. Okay. Tear white color paper, or better to tear silver color paper. If you have to silver color, no, don't do now. You can take it as homework. Okay. Yes. So try to get a silver color paper or foil sheet or something you will get now. That you tear and stick it over the moon and stars, or sparklers on the stars, and yellow color paper on the sun. Okay, yellow color paper on sun. Okay, right, children? Fine. It's in page number 156. Okay, CT. Yes, right. You got it right. What is sun, children? What is sun? Sun is a
चलो big
sun
ball
is a big ball of fire. Say, sun is a big ball of fire. It will burn like this. Sun will burn like this. Okay. Moon is a coldest object. Right? Okay. It gets. See, moon and stars was not have its own light. Okay, they will not have their own light. They are getting light from the sun. Right? They are getting light from the sun. Which end are getting light from the sun, children? Srinija say star and moon. Very good. Yes, Srinija. Star and moon getting light from the sun. But sun has its own light. That's why we are saying that sun is a big ball of fire. Okay, Arya, when we can see the sun?
Arya, when can you see the sun?
When we can see the sun?
Sun
In
is
the
bright. When can we see it?
yes, sun is bright. When we can see, in the morning or night? Nightல பாப்போமா sun morningல பாப்போமா?
Mama பாத்தீங்களா?
Very good, very good. Santosh, you say when we can see the moon? Night, very cute. Kesha, when we can see the stars? At what? When we can see the stars? Night, very good. So, what are the things we can see in the nighttime sky? Shivanya?
चलो
Shivanya,
See,
what
see.
are the things we can see in the night sky?
Night sky and
dark
Yes, yes, of course. Very good. We can see the darkness on the sky. And what are the things we can see?
class முடிய மாட்டேங்குது.
நீ சொல்லு
My
என்ன
goodness,
பார்க்கணும்?
now only I have.
மூணு
மூணு
ஆ,
star
Yes,
எப்படி
we can
இருக்கு
see.
tiny
டைனியா இருக்கு
Tiny because they are far away from us. Okay.
ம்.
That's why we can see it very tiny, like a dot. Okay. Right. And Varsha, what we can see in the day sky? Morning sky?
மார்னிங் ஸ்கை என்ன தெரியும்
sun
Very good, sun. Sun is known as a Varsha, sun is known as
சன் இஸ் நோன் அஸ்
a big ball of fire. Yes? Yeah. Big ball of fire. Saimira, what are the things we get from the sun?
What is
light
Only light?
hot
Yes, hot also, heat and light. Hotness also we are getting from sun. Okay. Janavi, what do we get from moon? Janavi, what do we get from moon? Moon gives
Chappu. Say loudly.
light
what, ma?
Loudly.
light
Light and very good. Light and
and
cold. Okay.
Moon.
Cold.
Cold.
And stillness. Okay. Cool. Sun will be bright and cool. Okay. Good. Litiksha, where can we see stars and moon?
மூணு இது எங்க பார்ப்போம் நம்ம
sky
Sky. Where is the sky? Okay, where is the sky, Litiksha? Up, right? Yes, the space that is sky. So, children, so the three heavenly bodies are what are they? Sun, moon, and stars. Okay, right? Fine. Children, do you have different shapes of boxes, small to big, like that? Yes, tiffin box or some other boxes. Can you go and get some different shapes of tiffin boxes or ordinary plastic containers, something? Yes? Santosh, go and get some boxes at different sizes. One box is there. I need some more boxes, Srinija.
Some more. Some more.
Yes. Few boxes in different size. Shall we play with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Go and get.
Good box, huh? Good box.
Something, a different box or a plastic containers. Saindra, only one you have? For different sizes.
Are you trying to do the stacking?
Stacking means?
Arranging inside. Make them
Not
put it.
like that. They have to arrange some like buildings or a house or something.
Oh, okay,
And,
okay, ma'am.
they have to arrange some size wise.
Okay.
Like that. Yes, children. So, children, you have to arrange. Amma will not help you get all the balls. Arrange in a size order. Small to big or short to tall. Like that. You put all the boxes together and take one by one to arrange it as it in the order wise. Yes, height wise or breadth wise or something. Which will come first and which will go last. Like that. Come on. Janavi, get all the box. Try to arrange yourself. Yes, nice, Saimira. Very good, very good. I think the white box is bigger than the green one. Is it so?
It's a round shape. This is
that is the
rectangle. Yeah.
White one is bigger.
No. Green only bigger.
Okay. Green only bigger. Okay. Yes. Janavi, you arrange. Yeah. Adam, you're not doing? Yes, Varsha. Only one box you have? Santosh?
That's it.
Yes.
Different boxes.
Yes. You need to arrange yourself. Very good, very good.
Different boxes, carrots.
இல்லடா கண்ணு அவ்வளவுதான். Say, ma'am, I arranged.
Yes. Show me little closer to me. Shivanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. You can keep it one by one, 1 over 1.
ஒண்ணு மேல ஒண்ணு வைக்கிறீங்களா? கம்.
January finished, ma'am.
January finish? Yes, January. Yes. Oh, these are steel tiffin box, no? So it's glaring. Very good. Hey, very good, January. Very nice. And make some shapes, January, like a building or something, vehicle or something. Saimira and you too. Shivanya, you too. Santosh, very good, Santosh. Santosh, which one is bigger?
This is bigger one. Next time.
Yes. Is this a bigger one? Okay. And that is the smaller one. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Keshav, you are welcome, dear. Keshav, you arrange Keshav. Varsha? Yes, Varsha. Good, very good. Srinija, blue is bigger than the white, na?
Srinija. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Blue is bigger than the white thing, right? White box?
Blue is bigger than the white one, right?
Right? Out of this, which one is the biggest one?
Which is the biggest one? This one. What is the color?
What is the color? Blue is the biggest one, yes? Okay. Are you arranged in a biggest to smallest or small to big?
Randomly. Not
Randomly. Okay. First arrange big to small, Kana.
Big to
Srinija,
small.
arrange as big to small.
Yeah, okay.
Small.
Which is small? Show me. Oh, yes, dear. Carry on.
Orange.
Litiksha, Arya.
Arya, show it to ma'am. In the arrange
Yes, yes. Yes, Arya.
brought the
Ah, good, good, good. Arya, show. Which is the smallest one?
Which is the
Out of
smallest?
your things, which is the smallest one? Say the color of the object.
Which is the smallest?
Yeah,
Okay.
a pink color bottle.
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, patti solla.
Yes.
But what is that in black green color?
இல்ல சொல்லு எது one by one என்ன சொல்லு ஆர்யா. What is this? It's the biggest or smallest?
Smallest.
It's smallest. சொல்லு வாய் தந்துருங்க.
Biggest.
See, all your things, which one is the big one? Arya.
Ma'am,
Oh, you done it? Ah, yes, 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 Srinija. Good, good, good. Now say which is the big one.
Say which is the big one, Srinija?
This one.
What is the
This
color?
one means what is the color of the top? Blue, yes. Which is the small one?
Which is the small one?
The tiny one. Yes, very good, very good. That is white color box with maroon lid, right? Yes. Arya, you didn't say.
One.
Arya, show me the biggest object.
which is the biggest
Ah.
object?
Saimira construct something new. What is that, Saimira?
What you have done? What is this?
What is this?
Arrange nicely.
Yes, you arranged very nicely, but what is that? What did you make?
What is this?
Something you made, right? Good.
She's
And
just
is that-
trying different type of arranging. That's it.
That is enough. That's what I'm asking. Make something creatively.
Yeah.
Let them do on their own. Yes. Very good, very good. Arya, what's wrong with you? Show me your biggest object.
Show your biggest object to ma'am. Which is biggest in this?
This is the big one. Perusu. Yes. Take and show me.
எடுத்து காட்டு ma'am.
Good, good. Very good. That box, right? That book or box or something. Yeah. Which is a small one, tiny one.
Smallest.
Smallest object. Yes, of course. Good, 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 good. Now you build it as a tower. Make it as a tower, Arya.
Arya, build a tower.
Keshav, nice work. Shivanya, very good. Janavi,
Okay, what is this?
That's a key.
That's a
That's a tower.
tower.
Tower. Very cute.
Which one is big here? இது
Yeah.
பெருசு.
Big box, which is the big one?
இது big
Biggest
box
one.
அது சொல்லுங்க. மெதுவா மேம்ட்ட காட்டுங்க அதுதான் biggest காட்டுங்க.
Yeah. Which is the tiniest one, smallest one?
இது குட்டி இது சின்னது பூட்டா this one she laid on that ma'am.
Okay. Very nice, very nice. Good job. Okay. Fine.
Thank you ma'am.
Yes, children.
No bye ma'am, she is very eager to go kidsy ma'am. Once the class is finished she'll go, so only
Oh,
she's
right.
saying
So she's hurrying for that.
yes.
Shivanya, nobody will be there, Shivanya. You can see. Nobody will be there. Okay. Yes, children. Okay. Keep your things away. Next, ma'am is going to teach you about the shapes. We can revise all the shapes once again, right? Okay, fine. You are going to find out the shapes. Come, children. Okay, this is the math time for shapes. Right, okay? Fine. Come on, look at here. What is the shape of this? Santosh, say what is the shape? Santosh, what shape is this, Santosh?
Louder.
Yes, of course. Say louder. Square. Square has how many sides, Santosh?
Four.
Yeah. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Santosh, is there all the sides are equal or unequal? How the sides are? All the sides are same in square or not same?
Same. Same.
Same.
Yes, இங்க பாருங்க எல்லா sides ஒரே போல இருக்கா, ஈக்குவலா இருக்கா? Yes, all the 4 sides are equal in square. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Children? Okay, Kanna. All put your mic mute.
Bye.
Yes. Now this is square. In square, all the 4 shapes are equal. There is no difference for one side to another side. Okay. All the 4 sides are equal. That is known as square. It has 4 sides. Yes, right. Square has 4 sides and all the 4 sides are equal. Okay. Fine. And Varsha, what shape is this, Varsha? Heart shape. Very good. Okay. Yeah, say louder. Heart shape. Yeah, fine. And Litiksha, what shape is this?
Diamond shape. Diamond shape, ma'am.
Very cute. Diamond shape. How many sides are there in diamond shape, Litiksha? How many sides are there?
2,
Ah,
3,
ah,
4,
yes.
5.
No. That is 5. 5 means it's pentagon. Okay. There are only
4 sides.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2.
See this side 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Yes, diamond has 4 sides. Okay, and sorry, Arya, what shape is this?
What shape is this, Arya? Huh? Sattama sollu.
Louder, sir. Arya.
Round.
Round shape, that is known as circle. Okay, circle shape. Is there any sides? Can you see any sides in the circle shape?
Oh, Marit. Okay. Is there any sides? Circle.
Circle has any sides?
Together.
No. Yes. Circle will not have any sides. Circle is a round shape. It will not have sides. Okay. Good. And what shape is this, Srinija? Srinija, what shape is this?
Oval shape.
Yes, of course. Oval also not having any sides. Okay. Oval shape. Oval shape. Yeah. And Saimira, what is this? Rectangle. Yes. How many sides are there in rectangle?
2, 3, 4.
Very cute. All the 4 sides are equal in rectangle, Saimira.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is it equal? இது ஒரே சைஸா? Does it big small இருக்கா இல்ல ஒரே சைஸா?
No.
ஆ.
2 decision.
ஆ. ஆ. 2 2
Say, how the
big
two
or
sides
smaller?
are?
Big or smaller? இந்த 2 ரெண்டு big or smaller
Yes.
size? Small.
Okay.
Top?
These two
Big.
big. Yeah. So only 4 sides it has, but all the sides are not equal. Say not equal. All the sides are not same. Only yes. Opposite sides are equal in rectangle. Only all the opposite sides are equal in rectangle. Can you differentiate that, children? See, the upper side and lower side are in same size, and the right side and left sides are in small in size and same size. Am I right? Top and bottom is long line, and right and left sides are short lines. So only the opposite sides are
Washing
equal
machine.
to rectangle. Okay, fine. This is known as rectangle. Keshav, Keshav, what shape is this? Keshav, Keshav, say what shape is this, Keshav? Okay, Srinija, what shape is this, Srinija?
Triangle.
Yes, of course, triangle. What shape is this? Triangle. Triangle. How many sides it has?
How many sides are there, Srinjan?
Triangle.
What is the side?
Yes, of course, a triangle. How many sides it has?
1, 2, 3,
How many
4.
sides are there?
Where is the fourth side?
No, count again.
Can you yes count again?
1, 2, 3,
So how many sides are there?
4.
Hey, naughty. Is there 4 sides, Keshav?
3.
3. Only 3 sides are. See, this is one side, 2, 3. Only 3 sides are in triangle. That's why tri means 3. Okay. That's why we know this is a triangle. Okay. Right. Triangle. Yes. Now open your workbook. Count the shapes and write their names. Write their, sorry, numbers. Okay. Yes, all page number 156. We can see here 4 shapes. What are the 4 shapes? Can you see here, children? Shivanya, say what are the different 4 shapes?
See
What are the
what shape
shapes
is
you
it?
can say?
Louder.
Rectangle.
Okay, rectangle is in what color? Shivanya, rectangle is in what color?
Rectangle என்ன கலர்ல மார்க்?
Oh, no.
என்ன கலர்ல இருக்கு?
No, rectangle is in what color?
Green color.
Green. Okay, circle is in what color?
சர்க்கிள் என்ன கலர்ல இருக்கு சொல்லுங்க? என்ன கலர் இது?
Black.
Black color, yes. Yes, of course. And
இது
what is
என்னது?
in pink color?
Pink கலர்ல
is what?
oval. தண்ணி கேன். நீ சொல்லு. What is this? Red கலர்ல என்ன இருக்கு?
Red color, what is that?
No. Heart shape.
Heart shape, yes. Yeah. Now you have to count all the shapes, children. Okay, count all the shapes. Come on, count and put the right number. Janavi, can you count and say how many heart shapes are there?
Count heart shapes illana count
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes,
4.
of course. So in the box of heart shape, write 4 children. Yes, write 4 in the box. Okay. Then Letiksha, count and say how many ovals are there?
சொல்லுங்க இந்த ஓவல் ஷேப் எங்கல
How
இருக்கு
many
கவுண்ட் பண்ணி
oval
சொல்லுங்க
shapes are there?
3,
சொல்லு எத்தனை இருக்கு
5.
4 தான்.
Say 5.
4, ma'am.
Oh, very good. So write 4 in the oval shape box too. Okay. Next, how many diamonds are there? Arya, count and say how many diamonds are there?
Arya, how many diamonds are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
சத்தமா சொல்லு மேம் பார்த்து
1,
சொல்லு.
2, 3, 4.
Yes, of course. 4. So write 4 in this box. Yeah. How many rectangles are there? Santosh, count. Santosh, count and say how many rectangles are there?
சொல்லு.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Only 4?
Louder சொல்லுங்க.
How many rectangles? Can you find out the rectangle shape? Five? No, it's wrong. Yes, come on, count again. Slowly count. How many rectangles?
6.
Yes, say.
சத்தமா சொல்றா. ஏன்ட்ட சொல்ற அங்க சொல்றா.
Yes, say louder, Kanna.
அங்க மேம் பார்த்து சொல்லு. சொல்லு. சொல்லு.
It is 6, right? 1. See, look at here. 1 is here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 is body, 1 is head, and 4 limbs. Okay, hands and legs.
மேம் பார்த்து சொல்லு.
So totally 6, right? Yes, Kanna. Very good, very good. It is 6. Yes.
இங்க 6 ன்னு எழுது.
All
6 எழுது. எப்படி பென்சில் எப்படி பிடிக்கணும்?
is all finished.
Finished, ma'am.
Finish. Very good, very good.
Finished, ma'am.
Very nice, children. Very nice. All up.
Finished, ma'am.
Finished, ma'am.
Oh.
No.
Kati, what is that?
She's saying paper kadikuma. Stapler pen.
Yes, paper will come. If you play naughtiness, show naughtiness, the paper will come and bite you.
Paper kadikuma.
Okay, I hope all are finished, right? So today,
Adam has tried drawing all the shapes.
all the shapes, very great, Adam. Good job. And he can differentiate too, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Very nice, Adam. Super. Good job. Wow. See, darling.
Super.
So, today we learned about sun, moon and stars. Am I right? And shapes. About shapes we learned. And we made some free play like making of shapes or buildings or sizes. Yes, right? Okay, fine, children. It's so nice. I can see your enthusiastic effort. Yes, very good, children. All are doing good. I'll meet you tomorrow. Okay, with another one concept. Thank you very much. I told you one is a homework for you. Tear the color papers and stick it over the sun, moon, and stars. Okay, very nice. Thank you, children.
Ma'am.
Inside your mouth.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye, Santosh. Thank you. Thank you, Shivanya. I got it. Yes, I got it. I got it.
Bye.